In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor overdue invoices in Xero. Staying on top of overdue invoices is essential for healthy cash flow, and Xero makes it straightforward once you know where to look. Start by logging into your Xero account and confirming you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. From the main dashboard, head to the Sales area, then choose Invoices. This takes you to the central list where you can see invoices in different stages, like drafts, awaiting approval, and most importantly for today, those awaiting payment. Open the Awaiting Payment tab. This view shows all approved invoices that haven't been paid yet. It's the best place to monitor what's due and what's slipping past the deadline. In this list, look for the Overdue by column. This column tells you exactly how many days each unpaid invoice is overdue, calculated from the due date you set when creating the invoice. It's a quick visual signal to spot issues before they escalate. Now, identify which customer invoices are actually overdue. You'll typically see overdue amounts highlighted or clearly labeled, so they stand out from invoices that are simply not due yet. As you scan down the Overdue by column, compare the number of overdue days for each invoice. Use this to prioritize your follow-up. The bigger the number, the more urgent the attention. If your screen allows it, sorting by this column can help you bring the longest outstanding items to the top, making your next actions crystal clear. Next, check expected payment dates. If your organization records expected dates in Xero, you'll see them in their own column. This gives you context on whether a client has promised payment and when. If you don't use expected dates, refer to the due dates to judge how late an invoice is and set realistic follow-up timelines. Finally, keep an eye on overdue balances and payment status. The balance or amount due columns show the unpaid totals, and the status field indicates whether an invoice is part paid or still awaiting payment. Combining these details with the overdue by information helps you monitor which accounts are slipping and by how much, so you can prioritize outreach and manage cash flow more confidently. That's it. By using the awaiting payment invoice list, you can quickly monitor overdue customer invoices and unpaid balances in Xero, stay organized, and act before small delays turn into bigger problems.